assume that you have created a page in ThriveCart from where you are selling a product, and at the same time you have created a channel in Microsoft Teams with all your team members. Now whenever any payment is received on the product purchase in ThriveCart, you want that a message should be sent automatically on Microsoft Teams informing about that product purchase, because you do not want to manually compose that message and send on Microsoft Teams on every single payment in ThriveCart. So if you also want to send the ThriveCart payment notification on Microsoft Teams automatically, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Now to automatically send the payment notification on Microsoft Teams channel, I'll have to build an integration in these two applications first, and I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user. So here you can notice I'm already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test this automation. Okay, now once you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as send ThriveCart payment notification on Microsoft Teams. You can provide any random name. Now simply click on create, and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, whenever any new payment is received in ThriveCart application, then automatically send the payment notification on Microsoft Teams application. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Teams application. Okay, and now the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will connect ThriveCart with Pabbly Connect. For that, firstly I'll select the trigger event. Okay, and I want that whenever a product is purchased in ThriveCart, whenever any new product purchase is made in ThriveCart, this automation should trigger. Okay, so that is why I have selected the same. Now simply click on connect, click on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token. So you'll have to log in into the ThriveCart account and simply visit this particular link, and this is how you can get your token. Okay, so here you can notice this API keys option. Click on this view settings, and here you can see 2 keys are already created. So instead of creating a new key, how about I open that existing key? Alright, so I have copied that token. You can create a new API key from this particular button. Okay, now I am coming back to the Pabbly Connect dashboard, and let me paste the same token, same API key here, clicking on save, and this is how ThriveCart account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect immediately. Here you can notice it is connected. Now it is asking to select the product. Okay, select a product name. You can select a multiple product as well. Okay, so here you'll have to specify that on the sale of which particular product you would like to send the notifications. Okay, so let's say I want to send the notification on the purchase of this PHP language course. Okay, so I have selected the same product. All right, and as mentioned here, you can select multiple products as well, and because we are connected, whatever the products are actually available inside my ThriveCart account have started visible here into the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now it is asking for the product status. Okay, so currently I am creating this automation into the testing mode only, because I'm just showing you how you can create this automation. So I will work with the testing mode only, and now as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, and here you can notice that it has started waiting for the response. Okay, so firstly read the instructions that once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here this test submission means creation of a new product purchase into the ThriveCart. Okay, so let me select the product once again. It has got removed. Alright, I have selected the same, and as mentioned here, you can select a multiple product as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to make a dummy dummy payment in front of you for this PHP language course, and you will notice that the payment details will be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me open this course. Okay, well, this is not the course. My course is actually available at the third page. Okay, so this is the course, that is PHP for beginners. Okay, let me open this. Let me click on this get URL button. Let us check whether I have selected the same product or not, that is PHP language course. No, I have selected this. Which product? That is PHP for beginners. Okay, so I have selected the product on the payment of which I would like to fetch the notification. All right, here you can notice. And now let us make our dummy submission. Okay, let me close this particular page. This is the URL. Clicking on this view checkout button, and let us make our dummy payment here. All right, so I'm going to provide the dummy details of the person. Alright, so I have provided the person detail as dummy user here. I have also provided a dummy email address, a dummy phone number, and here is the billing address. Clicking on this continue button, and then I am going to use the test card details. Okay, for the test transaction, you can copy the card number from here, simply paste that card number here and provide any random date. Okay, so I am providing this 12/29 and any random CVV, that is 123. Okay, clicking on this complete order, and you will notice that as soon as the payment is successful here, the payment details will be received in Pabbly Connect automatically. Alright, fingers crossed. And here you can notice that the response is received, and if I will show you the details in this response one by one, you will notice that the same pricing of the product, that is $15. Here you can notice $15. Let me also show you other details like the name of the person, the email address, and here we have the product name. Here we have the currency also. All right, where are other details? Okay, so here we have the name, here we have the first name, the email address, the phone number, and other billing address also. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time any new product purchase will made in ThriveCart, the details will be captured into the Pabbly Connect instantly and automatically, because this trigger will instantly capture the incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. And here let me show you one more interesting thing. Currently I have selected the product as this currently I have selected that trigger event as this product purchase, but you have the option of this also, that just in case if you want to send the payment notification on purchase of every single product made in ThriveCart, in that case you can select this specific trigger event. Okay, so currently I'll show you the process with this trigger event only. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now I am going to share these details to my team. Basically I am going to send the payment notification about this product to my team in Microsoft Teams. Okay, because I have refreshed my automation, so the application has removed from here. So I am going to search for Microsoft Teams once again, and as I have connected ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect Microsoft Teams with the Pabbly Connect, and here I will select this send message in our channel as an action event. Clicking on connect, clicking on add a new collection, clicking on connect with Microsoft Teams, and then you'll have to provide the access of your Microsoft Teams account. Okay, I have provided this access multiple times. Okay, so I am going with the existing connection. You can also go with the existing connection if in the first time you have already provided the access. Okay, so this is how you will notice that the authorization will be successful and your Microsoft Teams account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can notice that as soon as it is connected, whatever the channels are available inside my Microsoft Teams account have started visible here. Okay, so let me show you the same. So here you can see I have multiple teams into my Microsoft Teams account, that is Digital Initiative Public Relations, Market Aid Project Team, US Sales Retail Pabbly Connect Team. Okay, so these are available visible here also in the drop down. Okay, so I'm going to select this Pabbly Connected Teams since I wanted to send the payment notification in the same team member. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now it will ask you that on what channel you would like to send the messages. Okay, so here you can notice I have multiple channels in this team. Okay, so again I would like to send the notification in this Pabbly team. Okay, so let me select the same, that is Pabbly team, and finally from this particular field I can compose my message and then I can send the notification. Okay, so I have already prepared a content, a small message which I would like to send to my team. Okay, so I have pasted the same. Let me first correct the formatting of this particular message. Hello team, a new payment is received from customer. Okay, details of sales are as follows, and here I'm going to share the details one by one, that is the product name, the product price, the date, the customer name, and so on. Okay, so let me first correct the formatting of this message. Alright, so everything is looking good. Now from where I'm going to share these details, remember we have just captured these details into our previous step. Okay, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Okay, I am going to map this data, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. You can directly search for the name for the product, name of the product. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so remember we have made the purchase of this product, so I have searched for it. Okay, let me map the same. Now what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so whatever the details I have mapped will be replaced, but whatever the details I have provided manually will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in between providing the values via mapping and providing the values manually. Okay, asking for the customer name. Okay, so it was something like dummy user. Okay, so I have mapped the same. Lastly, it is asking for the email address. Okay, so whatever the details I have captured from the checkout page, here you can notice I am about to share the important details of the sales with my team. Okay, so I am going to click on this button, and you will notice as soon as I do that, the message will be sent automatically to my team. Okay, so clicked on this button, waiting for the response to be received, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received. Let me go back to my Microsoft Teams application, and here you can see that the same message has been received in Microsoft Teams application automatically. Okay, let me increase the size. Let me zoom this so that you can see the message very clearly. Okay, hello team, a new payment is received from customer. Details of sales are as follows, and here we have the product name, the price, the date, the customer name, customer email. Thanks Pabbly team manager. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to make a payment via ThriveCart, the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect instantly, and then the payment details will be shared with your team automatically on Microsoft Teams. Now you do not have to manually compose the message for every single payment, and to automate this process entirely, you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. And just in case if you want to access this workflow, I will also attach this shareable link of my workflow into the description box. You can click on that link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.